dignitaries, respected professors, and my fellow students. Today, as I stand here to speak on the inspiring topic Viksit Bharat or Developing India from 1947 to 2014 and 2014 to 2047. Viksit Bharat or Developing India is not just a vision, it is a testament of our beloved nation, resilience, innovation, and unwavering spirit. Remarkable transformation from the ashes of colonial rule to the world powerhouse. And envision a future where India leads the world in progress and prosperity. It is not the story of a nation, it is the saga of billions dream. The foundation of resilient nation, 1947 to 2014. August 15, 1947, when India gains independence. Imagine a land that just began with a faith, more than faith, and scattered threads of complex civilization, now weaving one of the world's most digital detailed fabric, much like the process of turning sand into silicon, transforming chaos into innovation. India began its journey by laying the foundation stone of its democracy in 1950. But it didn't stop here. From launching the first sounding rocket in 1963 to the Mars orbital mission in 2013, the establishment of IITs, IIM, AIMS, railways, and robust research and development in medicine, engineering seeded the tech revolution. Our push for universal primary education and setting up right to education law opens door for the millions, making literacy not just statics but a way out of shadow for millions of students. Women's voice echoed louder from the parliaments to the boardroom. Movement and policy brought change. Figures like Kalpana Chawla and Kiran Bedi inspired new generation to go beyond the limit set by the society. When world doubted, India found an ingenious way, like Green Revolution, ensuring food security that earned global respect. 2014 to 2024, the transforming decades. A turning point in India's journey toward becoming Viksit Bharat. The last decade has been nothing short of electrifying. Initiatives like Make in India turned factories into innovation, turned factories into engine of innovation. The last India's youth are armed with the ideas and ambition. We become world pharmacy during COVID-19 pandemic by supplying COVID vaccine and medicines. Schemes like Ayushman Bharat gave millions access to healthcare. Skill India and Mudra Yojana empowered entrepreneurs and workers alike. When Chandrayaan 3 touched the south polar moon, the world not just saw our national flag, but it saw our unstoppable spirit. India is not a timid democracy that tolerates betrayal or terrorism. When Pakistan terrorists attacked Kashmir, Pulwama and Pahalgam, India carried out surgical strike on Balakot and Operation Sindoor respectively to make them test their own medicine. The vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Now let's imagine. Let's dream bigger. Imagine let's look in 2047. When India will celebrate its 100th year of independence, what does Viksit Bharat look like? It is a nation where every citizen can access quality education, healthcare, and opportunity. It's Green India, leading the world in sustainable development. As nature has enough for our need, but not for our greed. It's digital powerhouse where AI, 6G, and smart city will redefine how we live and work. It's a nation where poverty is history and prosperity is a norm. By 2047, India will be the global leader in innovation and startups shaping the world future. It's a nation where every child, regardless of his background, can dream big and achieve bigger. Think of India's future like banyan tree. Its root deep in the tradition, its branches reaching toward the stars, and the wind of sunlight, wind of technology, and sunlight of creativity nurture the new dreams. As I conclude, I ask you, are you ready to be part of this incredible journey to build to Viksit Bharat that shines the global illumination of hope, progress, and pride? Let's pledge today that we will contribute, whether it's through innovation, compassion, or simply believing in the power of our nation. The road from 1947 to 2014 is ours. Let's make it extraordinary. In the last, I would like to say, भारत मेरी जान, भारत मेरी शान, भारत मेरी जान, भारत मेरी शान, हो भारत विकसित, यही मेरा अरमान. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.